Those of us
Good day, sir. I am Cadet Ray Giward C. Narsabal, BSMT 1A. Rule 12, Sailing Vessel. Paragraph A. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of a collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follow. When each has the wind on a different side, the vessel which has the wind on the port side shall keep out of the way of the other. When both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to windward shall keep out of the way of the vessel which is to leeward. If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainly whether the other. When both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to windward shall keep out of the way of the vessel which is to leeward. If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with a certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or on the starboard side, she shall keep out of the way of the other. Paragraph B. For the purposes of this rule, the windward side shall be deemed to be the side opposite to that ascertained on which the mainsail is carried, or in the case of square rigged vessel, the side opposite to that on which the largest fore and aft sail is carried. That's all, and thank you.